How to make a cover page in Google Docs. Creating a cover page in Google Docs is a straightforward process. Here are step-by-step instructions. 1. Open Google Docs *, open your web browser and go to Google Docs, docs.google.com. 2. Start a new document *, click on the plus sign or blank to create a new document. 3. Insert a table for structure, optional. If you want to create a structured cover page, you can use a table to help with layout. Click on Insert in the top menu. Choose Table and select the number of rows and columns you want. 4. Set page size and margins *. If you want to adjust the page size or margins, go to File in the top menu. Select Page Setup and choose your preferred size and margins. 5. Add title and subtitle *. Place your cursor on the cover page. Type your document's title and subtitle. 6. Format text and style *. Highlight the text you entered. Use the toolbar options to change font, size, color, or add bold, italic, or underline effects. 7. Insert images *. To insert images or logos, go to Insert in the top menu. Choose image and select the image you want to insert. 8. Adjust alignment and spacing *. Use the alignment and spacing options in the toolbar to position your text and images as desired. 9. Add additional elements *. If you want to add more elements like shapes or lines, you can find these in the Insert menu. 10. Finalize design *. Continue refining your cover page until you are satisfied with the design. 11. Save your document *. Click on File in the top menu and choose Save to save your document. Remember that the appearance of the cover page largely depends on your preferences and the design elements you want to include. Feel free to experiment with fonts, colors, and other formatting options to achieve the look you desire.